guys, we got the 2022 Audi SQ7. Just gave it a Resonator delete. We have PJ spraying it down right there. Let's check out the old Resonators. This thing is brand new, guys. Nice and shiny. I don't know if he's gonna bring these home with him. It isn't like the mini Lambo. It's a V8, 500 horsepower. We replaced the Resonators that were right there with the 3-inch pipe and sprayed them up nice and black so they don't rust. He wanted to keep on their the whole right there. The valves are currently open. Try to get in there and hear that. Nice little item right there. You guys need to see the interior of this thing. Suede. The sunroof is the size of me. I think sick. Brand new thing. All right, we're gonna bring it down and crank it for you guys. Let's hear it. Let me know what you guys think about those revs. Let's check out the interior of this bitch. Look at this. Suede. Check out these leather seats, yo. These are so sick. Jay, take a look at that sunroof, bro. That sunroof is humongous. It's almost like the size of the car. This is a badass family car right here. Check out the display, the steering wheel, the carbon fiber in the center console. Gotta zoom in on those seats, Jay. These things are hard. Right there. Sheesh.